So today we're making
I am learning stuff.
Pizza Vespa.
it's a party in your mouth. Oh my God. It's so good. Wow. All right, we're here at Best Sicily, which is like one of my favorite places to go to. Growing up in Oklahoma, my parents, they would drag me to farmers markets. You're all fogged up here. Da, 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 da. This is my favorite part. This night we're cooking an antipasti banchan party. Oklahoma onion burger out of the dome, braised short rib ragu, stir-fried bacon and rice cakes with bitter melon and tofu skin. A little handful of pasta. That little kick of heat, so good. Everyone should make this.